I went through an incident that drastically changed my life. I was a teenager, I played on the softball team at my school, had a lot of friends that I would always hang out with. For the most part, my time was occupied by them, my family, and my loved ones. And then things took a sudden turn for the worse when I was assaulted by somebody. It was a really confusing time for me because it took me a while for me to process what had actually happened. It was going to be a very long process ahead of me in order to get back to the way I was before, hopefully. It was just a really difficult time for me. I learned about Dr. Gilbert through my dentist, who had been doing work on myself and my family for many years. After she had recommended Dr. Gilbert, who is a close friend of hers, to me, I went ahead and did a lot of research on him and his facility, saw nothing but 5-star reviews after another. So at that point, I was just really looking forward to meeting Dr. Gilbert and his staff. After meeting Dr. Gilbert for the first time, he automatically made me feel safe, secure, comfortable. By the time I walked out of my first consultation with Dr. Gilbert, I instantly felt assured and honestly excited for surgery at that point. Dr. Gilbert's office and I actually developed a really close relationship to one another. They made me feel like family every single time. I couldn't wait to go in for appointments, even if it was just checkups or consultations, because they've always gave me that hope and that light that things were gonna be fine, and they were. There were multiple steps in the surgery process. There were many different surgeries, but throughout each, I can say that Dr. Gilbert had me feeling more confident each time that I walked out. Now that the process is over, looking back, I can definitely say that life is a lot better than it actually was before. I tend to always look at the brighter side of things now because I know that regardless of how ugly a situation can be, there's always gonna be a brighter side. I would definitely recommend Dr. Gilbert to anybody who went through a situation similar to mine, or if they're just seeking facial reconstructive or cosmetic surgery, because the results were absolutely amazing and they exceeded my expectations.